Hey there friends, today we're going to draw pumpkin bats.
And here's what our drawings look like at the very end. We wanted to give you a preview so you know what you're drawing. We're also using our pencil first to draw the main shape, and then also our eraser, and then our markers to finish the details and add color.
Or you can use whatever you have at home.
Yeah, you ready to start?
Yeah.
Let's use our pencil to draw 2 circles for our pumpkins. I'm gonna draw them this big. There's one, and then I'm gonna draw another one down here, but on the left side. And I think I wanna draw it a little bigger too. So I'm gonna draw over the first one before I erase it. That way you can kind of compare with the lines that you've already drawn.
Yeah. I think I'm going to draw this one a bit bigger too.
Okay, that's a nice thing. I always mention about using our pencil first. You can really work on this shape and get it just the way you want it before we move on to the next step.
Yeah.
So our friends, you guys can pause the video and take extra time too. Now I'm gonna erase the extra lines after I've got the line I wanna keep. I'm gonna erase the lines I don't want.
Yeah.
That's all we're using our pencil for. Let's put that off to the side and switch to our marker. But our friends, if you want, you can keep using a pencil until the very end.
Okay.
All right, now let's draw our pumpkin, or the details for our pumpkin. So first we're gonna draw the top, and we're gonna make it look 3D. So we're gonna draw this upside down letter U inside of the circle. Yes, and then we're gonna draw another curve or bump on both sides. Then let's draw the stem coming out. I'm gonna draw an S curve. So a little curve at the bottom and then a big curve coming out this way. And then on this side, we'll draw it just curving, almost like a letter C kind of. And then we'll connect them at the top. Okay, we're drawing all of these details for one pumpkin. And when we come down to do this one, we're gonna use all those same details. So try to memorize and remember what we're doing. So down here, now let's repeat. Oh, that's cheating though.
Oh,
I'm just kidding.
I was going to do the same
We
thing.
could
right
have.
here.
Let's do it. Let's just
Okay.
repeat. And then that way we don't have to really remember them. So we got the top. Let's repeat the bump on the side. We'll go faster since we're just repeating. And then I'm going to draw the stem going the other way. And we'll draw it a little bit different. Maybe this one doesn't curve as much and it's more thick or thicker. Yeah, okay, now let's draw the bottom of each pumpkin. We're gonna draw all those little bumps and ridges that the pumpkins have. And then you got one down here too. Okay, now let's draw the next bump that comes out and up, out, up, and the same thing down here. And we're just using the pencil as guidelines so that our pumpkins look round.
Yeah.
So on the bottom of mine, I kept them closer to the pencil line, and that's okay that you're more on the inside.
It'll just be smaller.
Yeah, these are just guidelines. Okay, now for the rest of the pumpkin, or the rest of the side, we're gonna come out from here, and we're gonna follow the pencil line, for the most part, down, and then we'll draw a little bump down here at the bottom. And then let's do the same thing on this side. So we're gonna draw the bump, follow the pencil around, and then add another bump down at the bottom. And this is a nice way to draw pumpkins, even if you're not making them into bats.
Yeah.
You could just repeat these steps. Now we're adding a bump on the back to really make it look 3D. Cool, okay, let's do the same thing down here. We'll add the bump on the side, all the way down, and then bump down here at the bottom, and then the same over here. And then the 3D part, the extra bump on the back, behind the stem. Yeah, look at that. They look super 3D.
Yeah.
Good job.
Thanks.
Okay, now we need to turn them into bats and jack-o'-lanterns. Let's first draw the face for this one. We're gonna draw an upside down letter V. Then we can turn it into a heart, so it makes it look like a skull nose.
Oh, yeah.
Skeleton nose. Then we're gonna draw the eyes, and let's draw them angry, but our friends, you guys could change the face. You don't have to draw it the same as us. Okay, then we're gonna draw them coming down and curving back up in the middle. I'm also going to draw pupils inside of here to make them really scary. Next, let's draw the mouth. We'll first draw a line here underneath the nose. Then we'll draw a sharp tooth. So we'll draw letter V's on both sides. Then let's draw the curve coming up for the side of the mouth. Then here for the bottom of the mouth, let's draw a shorter line. And then we're going to draw upside down letter V's for the sharp teeth on the bottom of the mouth. Next, let's start on the corner and curve down to finish the smile on each side. Ooh, that one looks spooky.
Yeah, it does.
Now let's add the face on this one. And you could do the same thing or change it a little. Let's change it. I'm going to draw an oval. And then I'm going to draw scary eyes again. But this time, let's draw, instead of curves for the bottom, we could draw triangles. So I'm going to draw a shorter line on the bottom. And then we'll draw a long line on the outside. Then let's draw the same scary vampire teeth because it's a bat. So I'm going to repeat all those same steps. So we got the sharp teeth, then we got the corners of the mouth coming up really high. And then right here, we could draw a short line in the middle, upside down letter V's. And then curves coming down to finish the mouth. Now what are we missing?
It's wings.
Yeah, it's wings. And I just realized that this pumpkin is really close to the side of, of the paper. So we could either draw a big wing going off the page or we could draw little wings. And I think I'm going to draw little wings. So we'll draw two curves coming out first from the top. And then we'll draw big curves coming down. Next, we'll draw two upside down letter U's connecting back into the pumpkin. And we'll do the same on this side. Now let's repeat those same steps for this one. Draw the two curves going up that are short. I'm going to draw them really short. And then the two big curves coming down further. And then two upside down letter U's connected into the pumpkin. We did it! We finished our drawings, except we still need to
Color them.
Yes, my favorite. We are going to fast forward, so remember to pause the video and take time to color your drawings too. All right, you ready to speed things up?
Yes.
Oh wait, before we do that though, we need to switch to our eraser and erase the pencil lines you can still see.
Okay.
Awesome, we did it. We finished coloring our pumpkin bats and they turned out awesome.
Yeah, they did.
Did you have fun?
That was a lot of fun.
Yeah, I had fun too. I hope our friends will color their drawings. You can also cut these out and use them as decorations.
Oh yeah, you could hang them up.
Yes, and you could draw a lot more. You could draw a whole nother set of them. You could change the faces. You could make the wings really big and maybe the pumpkins tall and long.
Yeah. We hope you had a lot of fun drawing pumpkin bats.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.